Let's have some fun with lip colors for women over 50. The KKW Beauty Lip Liner in the color Nude 0.5 or just 0.5 is what I chose to try. And this one, it doesn't look like you would put it in a pencil sharpener, but you do. So I'm just going to apply it all over my lips, first to the outer, and it truly is nude. I wanted something that wasn't giving me an orangey cast. My dog is being so noisy right now. So it's a very beigey look that could go under certain colors as long as you don't mind whatever color you put on top to neutralize a little bit. Now the other thing I bought is also the KKW lipstick. Now they have a nude line and a pink line. I bought the pink in the number 1. And it looks quite nude, and it really is. Even if I put it on top of this lip color from the liner. Oh, but it is so creamy. So depending on what you're wearing and the lighting, it might look good or it might look kind of washed out or blah. So I want to show you what else I do with this to put it over another color that's bright or bold. I'm going to put on this color from MAC. This is their amplified lipstick in the color Craving. So it's a little more bold, not necessarily bright, but certainly bold. So if you have some bold lipsticks and you put it on, you think, well, I like the color, but I'm not wanting to go bold today. What you can do is apply it, then blot it, just like that, with a tissue. Then take your KKW and put it on top. Now, isn't that a pretty look? So you can still see a little bit of the bold or dark color underneath, but it's not so bold and bright, and it's not so blah with this nude color by itself. Persona is a brand of lip gloss I hadn't tried before. I'm always leery about buying these online because I like to smell them. And of course, while I'm filming this, we're still in the whole COVID-19 era where there are no samples to smell. They're all put away. So it has a slight smell. It's not too much because if it's scented, I'm returning it. So let's try this by itself. This is the color called Pink. It is really pretty. I would call it, it's not overly pink though. It's kind of a pinky peach, more pink than peach, but still looks really lovely. It doesn't feel sticky. I'm always looking for lip glosses that seem like the older Smashbox lip glosses that I absolutely loved. I still have some of them, but they are drying up quickly. But let's try this one on top of a color. Because I'm so into this KKW color, I want to try it several times. So let's try it with the gloss on top. I'm not even doing the lip liner this time. So that's, I won't even blot it. That's the KKW pink one by itself. And let's try the Persona lip gloss on top. It just gives it a little something more, and I'm really liking it. What do you think? Way back in the day, Lancome made a purple in a sheer purple called Vision. And I think you can tell from this, I got it as a free gift and when I bought something years ago, and then they stopped making it. And I'm toward the bottom, and I've been looking for a sheer purple ever since. Let me show you how pretty this looks blotted and then with another color on top. So by itself, it's still kind of intense, but it's not opaque. It is sheer. I'm going to blot it. And now I'm going to put on top of it my L'Oreal ballerina shoes. And that just lightens it up a bit. Now let me try it with the KKW on top. It still has that purple color. So these are the colors I'm going for, and I think I finally found one that's a sheer violet next. It's from Lipstick Queen and their line called Saint. Saint is their line of sheer lipsticks, and this one is called Plum. I hadn't tried any in their Lipstick Queen line in the sheers or in the opaques. I had only done the ones like frog prints and those. So this is my first sheer, and it doesn't have a smell. I'm so glad it's not scented. So it goes on a lot like my long lost Lancome Vision. And then I'm going to blot. And I will use my L'Oreal ballerina shoes on top. And it looks a lot the same, doesn't it? And then just for fun, just because I have the KKW here, I'm going to overdo you on KKW today. Yummy. How do you like that? I was also in need of a good mauve in a sheer, so I bought that one as well. It's probably more pink than mauve, but these are so creamy. It's something that if you're a person who doesn't like really intense or opaque lipsticks, I think you'll really like this line, and they have a lot of other colors in the Saint line. In Lipstick Queen's opaque line, sadly called Sinner, I bought the one called Nude Rose. I didn't want an intense color in the opaque. I only wanted something light. So it's this beautiful, it's kind of peachy pink. Very creamy. I like it a lot. I think I want to try it with the KKW lip liner. Let's see how it looks and compare. This is a good one to compare with the lip liner to see if the lip liner changes the color of even a lighter lipstick. I applied the lip liner off camera because you've already seen that. I'll also bring in the other picture of me with this Nude Rose lipstick by itself so that we can see in a side-by-side which color we like better with the lip liner or without. By the way, in between, because I didn't want to rub my lips raw, I have been putting on this Maybelline Superstay Eraser. You put this on your lips, and the lipstick will come right off. In my quest for good lip glosses, I'm also trying MAC Lipglass. I have this color in good Juju. Let's try it by itself. Happily, it's not strongly scented. Descriptions say this is pink. I would call it more of a peachy pink. Really pretty by itself. I think that you could use this on top of another color or or just by itself or just over a lip liner, right? Also in the lip glass, I bought this color called Please Me. Now, when I bought it online, it looked a lot more peachy. This looks more beige than I remember seeing on the website. Oh yeah. So that's really light. I think it washes me out. I'm going to clean this off and let's put it on top of a lipstick color. I'm going to put the lip gloss over this matte color called Brave. It's a little bit pinky actually. I think this color turns out to be a little more clear. So if you're looking for something that hardly has any color, go with this one. Check out all products in the description box below the video and check out one of my other videos by clicking its image on the right side of your screen, and I'll see you in the next video. Will you settle down, please? Just chew your bone. Yeah, and sneeze, please. Will you just chew your bone? Thank you.